Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2 of how AI manages software resources in 2026 Japanese cars. Let's continue exploring more about the future of smart automotive technology. When the road is clear, the AI shifts its focus back to your comfort. Many 2026 Japanese models now feature high-resolution displays that span the entire dashboard. These screens require massive amounts of graphical power to stay smooth. In addition, partnerships with gaming companies mean you can play intensive titles while the car charges. The AI manages these graphics so they don't drain the battery too quickly or interfere with the GPS. It balances the load between the primary processor and the graphics chip perfectly. Because of this, the interface feels as snappy as the newest smartphone in your pocket. You get a premium experience without worrying about the system crashing or stuttering during a long trip. Feature Type AI Priority Level Impact on Driver. Emergency braking, maximum instant response to hazards. Steering control, critical precise handling in all conditions. Navigation, high accurate real-time positioning. In-car gaming, medium smooth visuals during downtime. Background updates, low, no interference with driving. The table above shows how the system ranks different tasks to keep you safe. By prioritizing critical functions, the car remains stable even when running multiple entertainment apps at once. Why Japanese automakers are leading the software revolution. Japanese companies are no longer just focused on engines and steel. They are building massive software ecosystems like the Arene OS. In addition, the partnership between Honda and Sony shows how serious they are about the digital experience. These companies realize that code efficiency is the secret to winning the electric vehicle race. If software is bulky and unoptimized, it wastes electricity and generates heat. Therefore, Japanese engineers are writing leaner code that uses less power. This move toward software-first design helps these cars stay relevant for years after they leave the showroom. Instead of buying a new car for new features, you just wait for a software improvement. Extending battery life through efficient code. For an electric car, every watt of electricity counts toward your total range. Traditional software often keeps the processor running at high speeds even when it isn't necessary. However, the 2026 AI resource managers change that behavior. The AI monitors which software modules are active and puts the rest into a deep sleep mode. Consequently, this reduces the heat generated by the computer chips. Less heat means the car doesn't have to use energy to run cooling fans for the electronics. Over a long drive, these small savings can add several miles to your total battery range. Efficiency is no longer just about the shape of the car. It is about how the code lives inside the machine. Updating your car like a smartphone over the air. We are all used to our phones updating overnight, and now our cars do the same. Over-the-air OTA updates are standard in the 2026 Japanese lineup. The AI manages these updates by partitioning the car's memory into separate zones. One zone runs the car safely while the other zone downloads and installs the new software. This means an update won't brick your car or leave you stranded in your driveway. Because the AI controls the allocation, it can verify the new code in the background without affecting your morning commute. Once the installation is successful, the car simply switches to the updated partition the next time you start it. This process keeps your vehicle's security patches and features current without a trip to the dealership. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.